With the school starting up soon, we know there will not be a mask mandate in place at LPS.
The rules are a little more relaxed this year. The new superintendent told us more today about this year's safe return to schools plan. Channel 8's Veronica Barreto has more.
Earlier this week, the Lincoln Public Schools Board announced there will not be a mask mandate in place next fall. Superintendent Paul Gosman talked more on the COVID protocol for schools.
Oh, I wouldn't rule anything out at this point in time. You know, what this pandemic has taught us is to be flexible, to give each other grace and patience as we work to figure out what's best. Truthfully, in schools, we've been dealing with outbreaks of illness for hundreds of years.
If a new COVID strain challenges again, school officials will make decisions after consulting with the head of the health department. Gosman said the district's #1 priority is to keep schools open and students safe. That is why they are encouraging the school community to use the tools available to prevent COVID infections.
We know that masking works. I'm not arguing that it doesn't. But we've got other strategies that people can and likely in many cases should put in place, such as the vaccine that's available.
Gosman said LPS does not track who's been vaccinated. Now, one of the things changing is the protocol for tracing COVID infections.
That we're not doing as much in contact tracing as we once would have done, as an example, and notifying others that they've been around someone who has reported to us that they've tested positive and that sort of thing. But we are still having a structure in place that will allow for that communication so that we can keep people safe.
LPS is doing efforts to have the new COVID protocol information available in different languages spoken by many kids and parents in the district. Gosman made it clear that they are not stopping anyone from wearing a mask if they want to do so. Reporting in Lincoln, Veronica Barreto, Channel 8 News.
Also, as school begins, LPS will have a COVID-19 dashboard listing cases and from which school. It'll take the place of daily emails that used to be sent to families.